Good morning, everybody. Mary Marshall here with an update on the tropics. Still very busy. There's Tropical Storm Jose, who simply will not go away, still packing 60-mile-per-hour winds. And you can see it's still impacting the Nantucket area along with parts of New York as well. But still getting our attention is Hurricane Irma. For now, remains a Category 3 storm with 115-mile-per-hour winds. It looks like the eye has gotten a little bit bigger, but it is still impacting the Dominican Republic, that north edge of it, and also right around Puerto Rico as it makes its shift up to the north. So the next stop for this is going to be around Turks and Caicos. Let's watch the track of it right here. It will remain a major hurricane as it passes right by Turks and Caicos. And you can see it can end up anywhere within this cone, but we are anticipating the center of the storm remaining offshore, but it could still batter that island who's still trying to recover. It can batter it with heavy rain, strong winds, and storm surge could be an issue as well. From there, it churns up to the north, and there's a reason for it. There's a system that's going to be out to the west that will keep it from coming here. I call it the broom. This is going to be a cold front that's going to kind of sweep it this way, and then to this side we're going to have some high pressure that's going to be like a brick wall and just block it. So this is kind of the only little path that it can take. And you recall that Jose took the very same path, and that's why those features kind of steer it around. So by Tuesday at 2 o'clock in the morning, it is down to a Category 1 storm, but we'll be watching it to see how close to the coast it gets, because it could impact some beaches around the area by Wednesday or so. So even though the center of that storm will likely not pass over Turks and Caicos, it's close enough to still cause some really strong wind gusts. Look at that, a wind gust up to 78 miles per hour, along with heavy rain will be possible as this system gets close to that particular island. Now, by Friday, it begins to make its way up to the north, still dumping some heavy rain as it remains out to sea. When they stay out to sea, we call them fish storms, and that's what we hope this storm remains for the rest of its tropical life. So now we're watching the track of it as it makes its way further north along the Atlantic coast and the mid-Atlantic area. So this is Wednesday, and this is the day that we could see some impact depending on how close. There's one model that keeps it a little further out to sea and one that brings it a little bit closer in. Depending on how close it is, we could get those stronger winds, especially along the coast there, and also some rain associated with that. There's still plenty of time, and there's still going to be some wiggle room associated with this, so we will just continue to watch it. And I wouldn't say, panic right now, but just kind of keep it in mind, that it could lead to some sort of impact. So that is your latest update from the tropics. We'll continue to update you right here.